In this video, let's talk about AMC stock and the setup. We do have earnings tomorrow for AMC stock, so I want to go over that. Let's talk a little bit about Barbie and Oppenheimer and them box offices, as well as a lot more movies releasing this year. We have Killers of the Flower Moon, we have Dune, and some other movies. So this is going to be a very interesting earnings report for AMC. And this. So let's get started. Subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to hit. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. I think we just need 2 more subscribers. So thank you very much. We're at 5,000 subscribers almost. Thank you very much. And again, we have a long road to 100K. So let's get started. So first of all, we do have earnings tomorrow, which is going to be huge. It is going to be a hit or miss. Obviously, Tuesday after hours, pretty much a gamble. Again, we don't know with the earnings report. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that we had a lot of great movies releasing this year, and has been a really nice success for a lot of these movies. I mean, we had Barbie and Oppenheimer releasing at the same day, and there was a lot of hype around it. I remember when I was going to watch Oppenheimer, it was completely full. And so to me, I'm just taking a look at this. This is a very nice catalyst for AMC stock as a company and as a catalyst. So to me is a very interesting, and this is what I am taking a look at and what I am going to base off, even if you're looking to play the earnings. So we have Barbie hitting 1 billion in box office, and then we have Oppenheimer surpassing 500 million, and then we have another movie, Killers of the Flower Moon, which is going to be a Martin Scorsese film, and Leonardo DiCaprio starring in, which is going to be dropping this fall, I believe. And then we also have Dune 2 releasing, and I'm pretty sure some other movies. So we have a huge catalyst for AMC, and it's going to be very interesting on what happens with AMC stock then. Now we're taking a look at the chart. We talked about, the previous short squeeze. We got a breakout, and we're taking a look at chart on the weekly and on the monthly time frame. We have this setup, symmetrical triangle setup. So right now we are in a bullish trend since we broke the level of resistance for AMC. So we were trading between, we were consolidating, and then we broke out, and then we came back to test this level of resistance, and now we're kind of heading higher right now. And then tomorrow we have earnings after hours, so it is going to be very interesting on what happens. Now keep in mind, I'm not an AMC stock. I don't even plan on playing AMC stock. I'm just kind of watching it for now. So if we can see a potential continuation to the upside, we have these 2 price targets that I am taking a look at, $7.98 and $9.24. So it's going to be definitely very interesting on what happens during earnings for AMC. Now let's talk about the market and all of that, just a quick recap, as well as talk a little bit about AMD, a great play that I am looking at. So we're taking a look at SPY. We're kind of consolidating right down here. We're trading sideways the past 3 days, and we're looking to enter in back at the consolidation period at 452 and 455. So this is the consolidation period that we are kind of looking at. So we're looking to enter back in at this level of support. Now QQQ looks a lot more interesting and a lot more bullish because we hit the level of support, and QQQ actually looks bullish, especially with Apple. We also have Tesla. We have a lot of these tech stocks that dropped, and all of them have really hit the level of support. So I'm taking a look at QQQ. Tech looks bullish for this week, especially with QQQ. I'm actually taking a look at it, and I'm seeing almost like a nice flag here. So if I actually take a look at the chart right now, I actually see a nice flag. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this. So this is what we're taking a look at, QQQ now. So this actually looks nice, nice and bullish with this trend going on right here for QQQ. If we can have a nice breakout to the upside, and then 405 being our price target for QQQ, and pretty much all of us just hitting all-time highs. The market is pretty much getting ready for all-time highs, and then obviously we have the inflation numbers on Thursday if you watched the weekly watch list video. Now AMD is our play for this week, the options play. We have this nice symmetrical triangle. It closed right around the level of resistance, and it is going to be a definite watch right at market open to see what happens. If we can get that momentum right at market open, this is going to be a nice day trade for weekly calls at the breakout. So we can have again 118 above 118 at market open. This might be a nice play, and then stop loss is going to be if it closes below the level of resistance. So we can have this nice breakout like we did in the past. It can have a very nice breakout to the upside, and this is what we are taking a look at for AMD. Now, I want to talk about a little bit about Target. I am in Target. Again, we have 10 shares. Target has this nice ascending triangle. If you want to play call options on, you can play off the support, but we are holding 10 shares, for a month now. I think over a month now. So Target was one of our long-term plays. It has a nice ascending triangle on the weekly time frames. It has earnings coming up, and let's see what happens. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on. Almost at 5,000 subscribers, and see you guys tomorrow. Take care.